Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be super fast. I started these off 2 days ago. So these were started off on Thursday. Today is Saturday, so it's day number 3, but it's actually about 48 hours later, and it's unbelievable. I checked these this morning just by holding them up to the light, and they have already germinated. So I started these off Thursday, then we had Friday, Saturday, 2 days, but I'm counting this as day number 3 because I always count the germination starting as day 1. But check this out. This is unbelievable. I am going to leave these another day before I do anything with them, but I just thought I would get in and show these. Look at this. There's germination 1, 2, 3, there's another one right there, 4. This one here almost started. It's just starting to pop out. That one right there. And then this one here, no germination yet. I'll put that one on the end. So look at that. That is amazing. In 48 hours. What I'll do is I'm going to take a photograph and I'll just put that on the screen right now so you can see these a lot closer up. But that there, I think, is the record for the fastest germination that I've ever seen. So I'm just going to close those up. And that's it. So once these get going, then I'm going to be back and then we're going to plant them into some soil. But that there, that's pretty amazing. I am very impressed with that. Make sure this is properly done. So that's it. Today's date is April the 1st, 2023, and it is Saturday. So there we go. So that's it, a really fast video for today. I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching.